Hey everyone, Dylan here from Diamond Spotlight, and today we're going to be unboxing a 2.17 carat round lab diamond engagement ring from Rare Carat. This is the first engagement ring from Rare Carat that we've featured here on the channel. We're going to take a look at the packaging, the price, and then show this ring in a variety of lighting conditions so we can really get an idea of what it looks like in real life. So let's actually start with price first. The total cost of this ring was $4,010. Of that price, $1,020 was for the JC 3-stone setting that you're seeing here, which looks very, very nice. It's got nice little intricate details there on the prongs, and it has those two diamonds on either side of the main center stone. The remainder of the price was $2,990 for the center stone. That's that 2.17 carat lab diamond. This is an ideal cut F in color VS1 clarity, and it's graded via IGI. Now I will have a link down below to this particular setting and its product page on their website. So if you want to look at this particular setting, I'll have the link down below. And then I'll also put a link to their other settings if you want to browse their entire collection as well as their diamonds. So those will be down below in the video description. Now, in terms of the packaging, it ships in a cardboard box. It's very incognito. You would never know that there's an engagement ring inside. You do have to sign for the package in person. So they're not just going to leave it. You have to sign when it's delivered. Inside, we have a very nice white Rare Carat box with a little stamped logo there in the corner. On the front, we have a little blue pull tab, and if we open up that lid, that reveals our documentation in this envelope, which we'll go over here in just a second. But as always, you know we like to get to the good stuff first. So let's go ahead and take a look at that beautiful ring box there, front and center with that nice wood styling. If we go ahead and open it up, you can see that 2.17 carat round lab diamond looking phenomenal. Now they also include a cleaning cloth, and inside the documentation you're going to get your receipt with all your personal information on it, as well as your diamond report that has all the specifications for your particular diamond in your engagement ring. So let's go ahead and move on to looking at some clips of this ring in some outdoor lighting. This first clip is the ring on my wife's finger. She's a size 5.5. And you can see here that the proportions, in my opinion, look perfect. Now, I may be a bit biased on this ring because I love the round diamond cuts because they sparkle so much, and I love the 2 carat size. So for me, this ring is perfect. But let's go ahead and move on to the next clip, and let's take a look at this ring in some really bright natural sunlight. Now, this is usually not the most forgiving light that we like to film rings in, but as you can see with a round diamond, it sparkles like crazy. And I like to show these clips because you can imagine if you were wearing this ring outdoors, say you're at a winery on a nice sunny day, this thing is going to be so bright. You're going to get so many sparkles of light. It's going to look really, really good. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking to order from Rare Carat, this should give you an idea of the packaging and what an actual ring would look like for the price. If you guys are interested in this setting, like I said, I will have a link down in the video description, as well as a link to the other settings that they have available. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below. And stay tuned and subscribe to the channel because we have 2 more rings from Rare Carat that we're going to be filming and releasing unboxings for, and those should be coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on finding your perfect engagement ring. We'll see you in the next one.